a unique torque-controlling nut that prevents the chance for human error. The Torqeshear nut KKP. Developed by KFC, the Torqeshear nut, composed of resin and steel parts, is an unprecedented torque-controlling nut that ensures proper tightening that can sometimes be overlooked at work sites. Once a certain range of prevailing torque is applied, the resin cap idles and comes off. However, forgetting the tightening engagement can be prevented, since proper tightening can be confirmed visually. Without using a torque wrench, the Torqeshear nut can be tightened under the appropriate torque by an impact wrench readily available on the market. K-nut, the steel part of the Torqeshear nut K, prevents loosening of the tightened engagement due to the friction ring locked on the bolt thread. K-nut Plus, the steel part of the Torqeshear nut KP, serves as a double locking function provided by the nylon patch coated on the thread and the friction ring. It also meets the testing condition, complying with NAS 3350-3354. In comparison, let's take a look at the conventional engagement method. In the conventional engagement method, a certain prevailing torque value must initially be set on a torque wrench. Once the washer, nut, and bolt are set in place, the nut must be pre-tightened by an impact wrench. Then the nut is finally fastened by the torque wrench, which is initially set at a certain prevailing torque value. Once a click sound is heard, the fastening job is done. However, the Torqeshear nut can complete the entire tightening process by assembling a washer and a bolt and tightening with an impact wrench until its resin cap is idle. After the resin cap is taken off, the tightening job has been completed. Also, observing that the resin cap has been taken off means the risk for forgetting the tightening engagement can be prevented. The Torqeshear nut should be applied where incessant vibration and mechanical shocks prevail. In addition, the proper torque control is required for disaster prevention equipment in tunnels, lighting fixtures, traffic signs, fences, and more. Used resin caps are useful as a recyclable resource. This sequential operation visually shows the tightening job is complete and engagement is secured under the appropriate prevailing torque. A unique torque-controlling nut making paradigm shifts at work sites, enabling visual confirmation proper engagement is achieved. This is the Torqeshear nut KKP.